Hello everyone. Welcome to Backyard Scrapping. I'm Scully. Dino was busy today so he had me do the intro. I really hope you enjoy the video. Mortimer, if you are watching, I miss you very much. Hugs and kisses, you bag of bones. So let's get to it. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Oh, and by the way, if you like me, please let Dino know in the comments below. I like this job, and I would really like to keep it. Hope to see everyone again soon.
Hey guys, backyard scrapping here. I don't know if you guys remember a couple 3 weeks back or whatever, a month ago, Scrapman50 sent me that box of foreign coins, and there was in them there was the roll of these 2-cent pieces that were damaged by salt, and dampness. Well, I've been fiddling with them, and I actually got them to look pretty good, but this is how most of them looked. You can see that, the corrosion around the edge and on the back. And what I'm going to do, or what I did, and I'm just showing you, I'm not going to go through the process. I'm just showing you the coin, how they looked, and what I ended up with. This is just a quick little video. I do have to keep a couple secrets here and there, But anyhow, I'm just going to show, and I've got some pictures I'm going to run through, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, and so on. And then the finished part, and I'm also going to put a little clip in here where, when I first got them, so you can see how they looked in my hand when I poured them out. But anyway, this is how they look. I actually was able to get the corrosion off of them chemically. And I don't know how well you can see this. Let me see if I can get a pen or something to point with. But what happens when you do this, or when I cleaned them up, is you see there's actually a difference. Here's the part that was okay. You can see this line here kind of going around, which was, you can see it in the one that, the one that's messed up, where the corrosion was. Well, you can see it on this one too, because now actually by chemically getting rid of this, what happened was I took a layer of metal off. So the challenge is, that's actually gone. So it's actually lower. Even a smooth part like right here is going to be lower, than the part that didn't get corroded. So the trick is to get this blended back in so that it doesn't look like it was ever corroded. And I actually managed to do that. So let me show you these pictures, beginning in this little clip, and then this is going to be a really short video for me, but I did want to show you because they actually came out pretty nice. So let me show you these pictures in this little video clip, and then I'll break out the roll and show you how the roll looks finished. So I'll be right back at you in just a sec. There's probably a few that can be salvaged out of this batch. I'm going to see and do some research on that and see if there's a way I can clean those up. They're actually a pretty coin. Okay guys, you saw that little thing, and now here they are. This is what I ended up with when I was done. And you saw when I poured them out in my hand how they looked. But there they are, finished and cleaned up. And they really are, I think they really are a pretty coin. So we actually got the low parts blended back in so that it looks, I think they look pretty darn good. So there you go. That's just this is probably one of the shortest videos I've ever made, but I just wanted to show you that, even if a lot of times coppers, copper or bronze coins are very hard to clean up, and I think I figured out a way to do it, and I'm going to keep it secret for a while. Maybe one day I'll post a video showing how I did it, because I actually did several different things. I didn't know what was going to work and what wasn't going to work, but anyway, I mean, I really think they look like a brand new coin. I think they came out really beautiful. So guys, I just wanted to show you that, and we'll get back at you in the next video. Everybody have a good one.